Yo, parlons de langage. On parle tous des langages différents. Ces langages nous aident à communiquer avec les autres. C'est des langages de mots, de signes, de sons, et toutes ces choses-là, on les apprend jeunes. Ces langages nous permettent de mettre en mots et de convertir nos connaissances à nous en connaissances pour les autres. C'est super important et c'est la base de la communication. Et en fait, tout le monde a un langage différent. Toutes les industries utilisent un langage complètement différent pour pouvoir se parler. Excusez. So all of these different industries, they have different ways of speaking to each other. They develop a language. Some people will call it jargon, but everybody has different words that are used for different things. And sometimes those words even mean different things in other settings. So for example, in the video world, we use terms like jump cut, punch in, B-roll. These mean something specific to people who work in this industry. In traditional Irish music, the terms cut, set, and chiff are used. Nobody thinks anything of it. We have no problem understanding what these words mean in context. Programmers use the words call, scope, and marshal, and they don't mean anything like what other people mean when they use those words. So how do we manage to understand each other? Another type of language that we're all too familiar with is internal self-talk. That talk can be positive or it can be negative. Often we're told to think positive, but what that really means is to talk to ourselves in a positive way. So many people use negative terms, negative adjectives when they refer to themselves in their own thoughts, and it can change completely how you feel about yourself on a daily basis. So the Whorf Hypothesis is all about how language shapes our thoughts. And although in recent years we've come to believe something completely different, you can see the linked video up here. Thought leaders like Steven Pinker have pretty much disproven the hypothesis, and we lean towards proto-thoughts now that are expressed in our own internal language that's then implemented and adapted into the languages that we speak. But even so, language pushes us to thought and thought pushes us to language. This is a very important dynamic because the language that we use shapes our interactions with others. When we use negative and violent language, those interactions become negative and violent. So it's really important for us to be checking what kind of language we're using. That applies in the home and it applies in the workplace. What does that mean for programmers? Well, it means that having a shared metaphor, having an understanding of a language that we use to express the system that we're working on is absolutely critical in having a shared understanding. This works in all other domains too. So it really is important what you call the thing. So whether you're a developer learning new programming languages to add to your toolkit, or whether you're anybody else learning new vocabularies, new ways of talking to other people, and even to yourself, the need to learn new languages and new ways to communicate should drive us all, because it's what allows us to exist properly in our communities, in groups, and even with ourselves. So if you like this video, subscribe below, hit the like button to let me know, and smash that bell so that you get notified when I post my next video. I'll see you in the next one.